In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page private in Squarespace. Maybe you're polishing a draft, sharing a client preview, or keeping event details limited to a small group. Whatever the reason, Squarespace makes it simple to control who can see a page. We'll walk through where to click and the two privacy options you can choose. From your Squarespace dashboard, click Website in the left-hand menu, then select Pages. This opens the full list of your site's pages, including both the ones that appear in your navigation and the ones tucked away in Not Linked. Find the page you want to make private. Hover your mouse over its name, and when the small gear icon appears, click it to open the page settings. Inside Page Settings, you have two ways to make a page private. You can disable the page, or you can add a password. Disabling the page temporarily turns it off for visitors. Links to the page will stop working, it won't be viewable to the public, and search engines won't be able to access it. The page will still remain in your Pages panel, so you can continue editing it behind the scenes and turn it back on later. Look for the setting that enables or disables the page, often labeled Enable Wi-Fi, and switch it off. Choose this option when you don't want anyone to reach the page, even if they have a direct link. If you need to share the page with select people, add a password instead. In the same Page Settings window, find the password field and enter a strong passphrase that you can share with your intended audience. With this method, the page stays online and can live in your navigation if you want, but visitors must enter the password to view it. It's great for client galleries, class resources, or drafts that need feedback. Be sure to share the password securely and update it later if access should change. Once you've chosen your method, disable for complete privacy or add a password for controlled access. Close the settings. Your change takes effect right away. If the page appears in your site navigation, a disabled page will no longer open for visitors, while a password-protected page will prompt for the password instead of revealing content. To recap, open Website, go to Pages, hover over your page and click the gear, then decide between disabling the page or adding a password. Pick the option that fits your situation, and your page is now private.